Visits to Eleyele River, Ibadan, Oduona River, before now Eleyele River. It started from Ikereku, one of the area in Ibadan. A powerful woman turns to form the river. Because of the 1983 flood that caused the life and properties of the people in the community, the river used to take sacrifice, and they normally use cow for the sacrifice in every year.
And the woman turned to this water when it was still Oduona, and later during the establishment of this river, they have to call the white men to come and establish this river. And during the establishment, a lot of life was lost during the establishment. Then later, the second set of people that came for the establishment, they died during the course, and a bird flew out, which was called Eleyele.
Wow. So it means that there was no river here. It was a woman who was turned to this river.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. And then he said that the river flooded, and then it took a lot of lives.
Yes, that was 1983.
1983. Wow, 1983. I remember that year. Ghana too also have an how do you call it? Farming. Yeah, not farming, like farming. There's a lot of burn. All the country's land were burned, so there was a lot of farming. That year was a good year. 1983.
The same year, it overflowed 1983.
So
they have to do some sacrifices.
Okay.
And it's requested for a big cow and some other animals for the sacrifice.
So they use the cow and then the other animals to do the sacrifice. So ever since they started, since then they have not flooded again.
Yes.
Wow. There's power somewhere.
The oldest workers of the river has been there for over 30 years. The name of the neighbor community is Idunu community. Boat was using as a means of transportation for the neighboring community. The river serves as source of income for the communities around it. These include a tourist hotspots, transportation channels for intercity travel, fishing area, water source for Ibadan city water projects, location for film projects, and so on.